Forget everything you know about the family SUV. Forget the boring grocery getters. Forget the compromised crossovers that pretend they can handle the wild but crumble at the first sight of gravels. This is not that. For years, the SUV market has been divided. You either got a rugged, uncomfortable truck or a soft, fragile luxury car. But Ford looked at that divide and said, burn it down. This is the new 2026 Ford Everest Titanium. It is not just a facelift. It is not just a refresh. It is a rolling fortress of technology, luxury, and raw diesel torque that threatens to make the competition look like a relic. We are talking about a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel beast, a cockpit that rivals a business jet, an off-road technology that basically cheats physics. But is it worth the premium price tag? Is this the new king of the seven-seaters? Today, we do not just review it, we dissect it. Let us drive. Look at this face. It is not asking for permission. It is demanding the right of way. The 2026 updates have refined the aggression we saw in the previous generation, sharpening the lines and adding a level of sophistication that was missing before. The first thing you notice is that signature, C-clamp, matrix LED lighting. This is not just for show. These lights are intelligent. They can mask out oncoming traffic while keeping the high beams blazing on the rest of the road, giving you daylight visibility at midnight without blinding other drivers. On the titanium trim, Ford has doubled down on American luxury. You have this massive chrome-accented grille that connects the lights, creating a wide planted stance. Moving to the side, check out these wheels. This model is sitting on the optional 21-inch machined alloys. They look incredible, filling the arches perfectly. Around the back, it is a masterclass in minimalism. The full width LED light bar emphasizes the width, and the power liftgate is now faster and quieter. But the real story is hidden underneath. You have a Watts linkage rear suspension with coil springs. While the competitors are still bouncing around on leaf springs like it is 1995, the Everest Titanium uses a setup designed for stability. This is why it handles corners like a sedan, but tows like a freight train. Welcome to the sanctuary. That is what Ford calls this interior, and for once, it is not just marketing fluff. The first thing that hits you is the silence. Ford has used active noise cancellation and acoustic glass here. It feels like a recording studio. But then, your eyes lock onto the screen. This is the Sync 4A system, displayed on a massive 12-inch portrait touchscreen. It is not just a screen. It is the brain of the car. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard and lightning fast. The 360-degree camera is high definition. You can see every rock, every curb, and every scratch you are about to avoid. The materials in the titanium are top tier. We are talking ebony leather with detailed stitching, soft touch materials on the dash, and pop-out cup holders that are actually useful. The seats are 8-way power adjustable for both driver and passenger. And yes, they are heated and ventilated. If you live in a hot climate, that ventilation is a lifesaver. Behind the wheel, you do not get analog dials. You get a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster. It is customizable. You want navigation front and center? Done. You want off-road stats? Done. It makes you feel like you are piloting a jet, not driving a car. Now let us talk about the heart of the beast. This is the 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel. Let me repeat that. V6. It produces 184 kilowatts of power and a massive 600 Newton meters of torque. When you step on the gas, it surges forward like a locomotive. The 10-speed automatic transmission has been recalibrated for 2026. It is smoother and it finds the right gear instantly, riding that wave of torque. And this is why you buy an Everest. The towing capacity is 3.5 tons. That is best in class. It has a dedicated tow haul mode that adjusts the shift points to keep you in the power band. But can it actually go off-road? The short answer is yes. You have a terrain management system with modes for sand, mud, and ruts. We are talking about a locking rear differential and an 800mm wading depth. That is water up to the headlights. So here is the verdict. The 2026 Ford Everest Titanium is not cheap. You are looking at a luxury price tag, but you get a vehicle that does not force you to compromise. It is tough, it is smart, and it is incredibly comfortable. This is the new benchmark. The king is back. Your move, Toyota. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comments, would you take the V6 diesel or are you waiting for a hybrid? Drive safe, and I will see you in the next one.